मॉर्निंग ऑल ऑफ यू। आई रजिया पठान फ्रॉम ज्ञानविजय विद्यापीठ स्टैंडर्ड 5। सो स्टूडेंट्स, अभी आज हम रिवीजन में मोर प्रैक्टिस के लिए वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स कंप्लीट करेंगे, ठीक है। सो टुडे वी विल स्टार्ट वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स यूनिट नंबर सेकेंड, ओके। सो इन दैट अभी हम लोगों ने वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स को ऑलरेडी प्रैक्टिस की है, लेकिन अगेन वी हैव टू स्टार्ट यूनिट नंबर second word problems. In that word problems we have to start worksheet number 11. Okay, so let's start that and ये जो रिवीजन है, रिवीजन आप लोगों को अपने रफ बुक में लिखना है. You have to write in your rough book. Okay everyone, so let's start that. So our first question is, there are 69,000 students at a school. There are 69,000 students at a school. If each class hold 13 students, how many classrooms are needed at school? Now school में how many students are there? 69 students are there in a school. ठीक है, 69 students है. In that in a one class 16 students. एक क्लास में कितने students है? 13 students are there. So how many classrooms are needed the school? कितने स्कूल में क्लासरूम चाहिए, ठीक है. So in that first of all we have to find the numbers and keywords. What we have to find here, we have to write revision, unit number second, standard fifth. Now here we have to, first of all we have to find the numbers. Step 1 numbers. Number, which one is there? There are 69 students at school. So write it here, 6900 students in a school. If each class hold 13 students, write it here, 13 students each class. So numbers and keywords is completed. Now step 2. Step 2 is ask. So what they are asking to us, how many classrooms are needed at school? So here we have to write how many classroom needed at the school. We have to write. Step 3. Step 3 is a draw. So in that we have to draw 3 boxes. Division sign. Here we have to write 6,900 divided by 30. 6,900 divided by 30. Step 4 is the operation. What we have to do? We have to do division. So write it here, division. Step 5. Step 5 means SS means solution. So in that we have to do डिवीजन, सॉल्यूशन हमें करना है, ठीक है. सो What we have to do? Here we have to write 69,000 6900 divide by 30. 6900 divide by 30. So in that 13 twos are 16. 13 twos are 16. 9 minus 0, 9. 6 minus 6, 6 on your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what we have to write here? 0. Our next, we have to bringing down 0. Our next number is a 19. Next number is a 19. 13 threes are 19. 13 threes are 19. 9 minus 9, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. Now we have to bringing down one number is remain here 0. Division is not possible. We have to put here 0. So our answer is 200. Write it here answer. 213 classroom are needed at the school. Look at these sums and write it down in your notebook. Look at all this whole sum and write it down in your notebook. Our next question is a teacher has 27,233 pieces of candy. If there are 39 students and the candy's pieces are divided evenly, how many pieces will each student get? How many candies pieces are left? Now teachers के पास कितनी candies के pieces है? How many pieces are there? 27,233 pieces are there. If there are 39 students, how many students are there? 39 students. Candy pieces are divided evenly. How many pieces will each students get? इक्वली सबको डिवाइड करना है, ठीक है. सो एवरेज स्टूडेंट्स के पास कितने पीसेस आएंगे वो हमें क्या करना है? फाइंड करना है. व्हाट वी हैव टू फाइंड दैट. ओके. हाउ मेनी कैंडीज पीसीज आर लेफ्ट, और कितनी कैंडीज अभी बाकी रहेगी वो भी हमें क्या करना है? फाइंड करना है. ओके. So let's start that sum. Look at the question. So in that, first of all we have to write step first. Step 1, find the numbers. Numbers is 27,233 pieces of candy. And how many students are there? 39 students. 39 students. Step 2 is ask. What they are asking to us? How many pieces will each student get? Here we have to write how many pieces are each students? How many pieces each students get? And there is a second question is, how many candies pieces are left? So here we have to write second question. Which one is that? How many candy pieces are left? Okay, now look at step 1 and step 2 and write it down in your notebook. Step 2, step 3, draw. We have to draw 3 boxes. In that 27,233 candies and 39 students. Here we have to write answer. Step 4. Step 4 is, which one is a step 4? Step 4 is a operation. So in that we have to do division. What we have to do? Division. Step 5, solution. So here 27,233 divided by 39. 39 6 are, now see, here we have to take 3 digits because of the 27 is a smaller number than the 39. 39 से 27 है, smaller number है. That's the reason how many digit we have to take here. 3 digit number हम यहाँ पे लेंगे. ठीक है. So our next number is a 272. 272. 39 6 are 234. 234. Now 2 minus 4 is not possible. Cut 7, write it here 6. Cut 2, write it here 12. 12 minus 4. 12 minus 4. 12 on your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Cut 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remain number is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what we have to write here? 8. 6 minus 6. 6 minus 3. 6 on your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cut 3. 1, 2, 3. Remain number is a 1, 2 and 3. So here we have to write 3. 2 minus 2. 2 on your finger. Cut 2. 1 and 2. So remain number is a 0. So our number is a 38. 38 is a smaller number than the 39. So bringing down here 3. Our next number is a 383. 383. So what we have to do? We have 39 nines are 351. 39 nines are 351. Now 3 minus 1. 3 on your finger. Cut 1. Remaining number is a 1 and 2. So here we have to write 2. 8 minus 5. 8 on your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cut 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remaining number is a 1, 2 and 3. So here we have to write 3. 3 minus 3. 3 on your finger. Cut 3. 1, 2 and 3. So here remaining number is a 0. Now 32 is a smaller number than the 39. Here again we have to bringing down 3. Our next number is a 323. Our next number is a 323. 39 8s are 39 8s are 312. 39 8s are 312. 3 minus 2. 3 on your finger. Cut 2. 1 and 2. So remaining number is a 1. So what we have to write here? 1. 2 minus 1. 2 on your finger. 2 on your finger. Cut 1. Remaining number is a 1. So what we have to write here? 1. 3 minus 3. 3 on your finger. Cut 1. 1, 2 and 3. So here we have to write 3. So our answer is each students will get answer each student will get 698 candies candies 11 candies. Second one answer 11 candies pieces 11 candies pieces will be left. Now look at all the sums. Look at step 3rd and 4th. Look at the step 3rd and 4th. So here our answer is 698. Look at step 3rd and 4th and write it down in your notebook. Now look at next step 5 and write it down in your notebook. Now next question is Mary's shelved all 14 books each. How many shelves will Mary needed if Mary has 28,000 books? ठीक है. So in that Mary के सेल्स में कितनी बुक्स रहे? 14 बुक्स आर each. ठीक है, 14 बुक्स रह रही है. हाउ मेनी सेल्स विल बी नीडेड इफ हैज 28,000 बुक्स. 28,000 बुक्स अगर उसको रखनी है तो उसको कितने सेल्स चाहिए? ठीक है, वो हमें फाइंड करना है. सो लुक एट द क्वेश्चंस. After that we will start the sum. So here we have to write step 1. Here we have to write step 1, number. First of all we have to find the numbers. So how many books are there? 14 books each. After that, each in shelves. $28,000 books are there. $8,000 books. Step 2. Step 2 is ask. How many? What they are asking? How many shelves will be needed? How many shelves will needed? Will be needed. Okay. Step 3. D. Draw. We have to draw here 3 boxes. $28,000 divide by 14. Answer we don't know. That's the reason we have to write here question mark. Step 4. Operation. So here we have to do division. Here we have to do division. Now look at the step 1st, 2nd, 3rd and 4th. Step 5. Solution. So here we have to write. What we have to write here? 28,000 divided by 14. 14 sevens are 28. 8 minus 8. 8 on your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cut 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 minus 8. So here what we have to write here? 0. 2 minus 2. 2 on your finger. Cut 2. 1 and 2. So remaining number is a 0. Now we have to bringing down here 0. Division is not possible. That's the reason what we have to do here. We have to put here 0. Here we have to write 0. 0 minus 0. Again 14 sevens are 218. 14 sevens are 218. 0 minus 0, 0. 8 minus 8, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. Now we have to bringing down here 0. 0 minus 0. This 0 we have to put here. So our answer is 700. Our answer is 700. So here we have to write Mary needs 700 shelves. Mary needed 700 shelves. Write it these sums in your notebook. सो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम लोगों ने रिवीजन में एज अ रिवीजन पार्ट ऑफ द रिवीजन हम लोगों ने कंप्लीट किया है वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स. ठीक है, इन दैट यूनिट नंबर 2 वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स, जो डिविजन्स के वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स थे वो हम लोगों ने कंप्लीट किए आज. और एज अ प्रैक्टिस के लिए आप लोग वर्कशीट नंबर 11 में जो रिमेन सम्स है एम एन और ओ 3 सम्स रिमेन है वो आप लोगों को एज अ होमवर्क में कंप्लीट करना है. और होमवर्क को बिफोर 3 o'clock हमें व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में सबमिट करवाना है. ओके एवरीवन, आई होप सो आप लोग रिवीजन अच्छे से करोगे और होमवर्क है और बिफोर 3 o'clock हमें सबमिट करवाना है. और रिवीजन की प्रैक्टिस है वो आप लोगों को करनी है. ओके एवरीवन, बाय, हैव अ नाइस डे.